Hey everybody, K&A Mobile Auto here, and today what we're going to do is we're going to go over your cabin air filter and the difference between a paper one and a charcoal one. Now your charcoal ones are more of your premium filter, and right now you'll see I only have two paper ones. That's because we already have a charcoal one installed in here. We're going to show you the difference once we pull that out because it's actually a pretty clean filter. So your paper filters, what they do is they're good at keeping out like your allergens, your pollen, all that stuff, any dirt. Helps keep out odor, keeps out pet dander, keeps out cigarette smoke. They all do a good job. Now the charcoal ones do a little bit better because they're designed to last a little bit longer. And now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to replace them on a 2011 Chevy Impala LT today. Pause it. Also, another thing I want to point out is that it's an essential part of your HVAC system in your car. That's your heating, ventilation, and your AC. So if your AC starts having weak pressure or if it doesn't seem like it's running right, having a clogged filter might be the cause of it. So now we're going to have my partner here, Austin, show you guys how to remove it.
All right, here we go.
So what are you removing?
So in this Impala, the cabin is underneath this shroud right here. And there's two plastic
clips that you got to remove.
Pop out.
Okay, so there's one. Here's the other one. Go. I want to remove the weather stripping. Lift that up. Take off this plastic little cover. And just right in there is where this sits. Now, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and flip this over so you can see the charcoal. So now, as you can see, it looks like it's dirty compared to this paper one, but that's really just the charcoal on it. So now what we're going to do is we're actually, since this is still such a good one and everything looks to be good on it, we're just going to put it back in. We're just going to stick with the charcoal.
And there's a little tab down there that you have to kind of bend it to get it to go under where it fits properly. And there you go, you can see it down there. Okay. Plastic cover back in.
And this plastic cover's got three little clips that help hold it up to help keep water off of the filter. So you don't have to worry about water when it drains or rains on the car. And that just slides on, and then you take your plastic little clips, you slide the bottom part in first, put the top one in second, part that holds it in. Now this is what these clips look like over here. Take a quick second, you can see just a little part that sits here, and then where's the other one? There it is. Now we'll just have him install it over here. All right, and we just got to put the weather stripping back on. There you go, and that's how you replace the air cabin filter on your 2011 Chevy Impala LT. Not too complicated.